Hello everyone, today we're going to do 4 DIY peel-off masks for glowing skin. Peel-off masks help remove the dead cells from the outermost layer of the skin, which in return help exfoliate, clearing out impurities to rejuvenate your complexion. They're also useful for treating whiteheads, blackheads and other blemishes. Regular use can contribute to that coveted glow and a decrease in the dull, dry skin. We are going to make 4 effective homemade peel-off masks for glowing, spotless skin. They're easy to wipe up in your kitchen. Number 1. Orange peel-off mask. Due to their antioxidant agents, oranges can both battle damage from free radicals and slow down signs of aging. They revive and rejuvenate the skin, and their high citric acid content can help prevent acne breakouts. Ingredients: 4 tablespoons of fresh orange juice and 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin powder. Get a heat-resistant bowl and pour in the fresh orange juice. Add the unflavored gelatin powder and then place that bowl in a double boiler. Stir it consistently until the gelatin powder entirely dissolves. Remove from the heat and let it cool. While it's cooling, cleanse your face and rinse it using cool water. Then evenly apply the mask to your face, avoiding your eyes, eyebrows and mouth. Leave the mask on for 20 to 30 minutes and peel it off in layers. Remove the remaining mask by washing your face with warm water. Lastly, splash your face with cold water, pat it dry and apply your favorite moisturizer. Number 2. Honey, egg white and milk peel-off mask. Honey is a natural antiseptic that helps soothe and heal the skin. It also works as a cleansing agent, removing impurities from the skin via humectant. It also draws in water from the air to moisturize your skin's top layers. Milk has been used as a favorite skincare ingredient for centuries. It's rich in vitamins and nutrients, which help maintain the beauty of the skin. Thanks to its lactic acid, milk is also beneficial for eliminating dead skin cells and promoting cell renewal. Milk also possesses antioxidant properties that help combat environment toxins and free radical damage. We are going to need 1 egg white, 1 gelatin leaf, 1 tablespoon of honey, unsweetened fresh milk, and warm water. In a bowl, place the gelatin leaf and add enough water to cover it. Stir with a spoon, mix the other ingredients in a different bowl and combine them well. Place the bowl of the combined ingredients into a bigger bowl of warm water. Gently heat the mixture, then pour in the gelatin and continue stirring until combined. Rinse your face and apply the mask to clean skin using a brush. Wait until the mask dries and peel it off. Use cold water to wash your face again and apply a toner and a moisturizer. Number 3. Gelatin peel-off mask. Gelatin is a favorite ingredient in a lot of commercial peel-off masks. It is rich in collagen, which can help smooth out facial lines and create firmer, plump skin. It also helps improve firmness and elasticity of the skin, preventing stretch marks as it provides and promotes additional collagen growth in the skin. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon unflavored gelatin, 1.5 tablespoons of milk, several drops lavender essential oil. Don't substitute other essential oils here, as lavender is one of the few that you can apply safely directly to skin in small amounts. In a bowl, mix all the above elements well and heat over a double boiler. Remove the bowl from the heat and set it aside to let the mixture cool down. Evenly apply the mask to your skin and let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes. After that, peel it off upwards and rinse skin with lukewarm water. Number 4. Activated charcoal peel-off mask. Another common ingredient in a lot of commercial peel-off masks is activated charcoal. It can bind to impurities and excess oil, removing them from the skin and leaving a fresh complexion. It can also aid in healing wounds and damaged skin. It works by eliminating fluids and toxins that weaken the process of healing. Ingredients: 1/2 tablespoon of activated charcoal, 1/2 teaspoon of unflavored gelatin, and 1 tablespoon of warm distilled water. Mix the activated charcoal and gelatin ingredients in a bowl before adding the warm distilled water. Then mix until you have a sticky paste. Use a brush to apply the mask on your clean, dry skin. Let the mask dry for 20 to 40 minutes and peel it off. Wipe away the remaining mask by using a warm, damp cloth. Finish by applying a toner to close the pores. So that's it guys for this video. I will see you in the next one.